Imagine stepping into your backyard this summer and being greeted by a sea of colors: vivid reds, sunny yellows, soft purples, all swaying gently under the warm sun. It feels like walking into a living painting, full of life and joy. The truth is, this colorful paradise does not just appear overnight. It starts with the choices you make in May. If you are wondering what to plant to create a stunning summer garden, you are in the right place. Today, I will share the best flowers you can plant right now for a season full of beauty. May is the perfect time to plant. The soil is warm, the days are longer, and flowers settle into their new homes quickly. Planting now gives your garden a strong start, helping flowers grow healthier and bloom longer through the hot months ahead. It is the moment where preparation meets the promise of bright days and beautiful evenings outdoors. 1. Zinnias. Zinnias are true stars of the summer garden. Their bold colors, pink, orange, red, and even lime green, bring instant energy to any space. Zinnias love soaking up the sun and are incredibly easy to grow. Even if you are new to gardening, you will find them rewarding. Just scatter the seeds in a sunny spot, water regularly, and watch as butterflies start visiting your garden like old friends. 2. Marigolds. If you want a flower that is both beautiful and helpful, marigolds are perfect. Their bright gold and orange blooms light up any corner and even help keep some garden pests away. Marigolds thrive in full sun, need little attention, and bloom nonstop until fall. They are tough, reliable, and bring a cheerful glow to any summer setting. 3. Cosmos. Cosmos are like the carefree spirit of the flower world. They have delicate daisy-like petals that dance in the breeze, offering soft pinks, whites, and purples. They grow tall and look stunning mixed with other plants. Plus, they do not ask for much, just a sunny spot and occasional watering. Once they start blooming, they almost take care of themselves. 4. Petunias. Petunias are pure joy. With endless colors to choose from, you can create a theme or mix them all for a lively, playful garden. Petunias love sunny days and regular watering. They fill containers, borders, and hanging baskets with rich color and a sweet fragrance. A few minutes of care here and there will keep them blooming beautifully all summer long. 5. Salvia. For a touch of rich blues and purples, plant salvia. These tall, graceful spikes not only add structure to your garden, but also invite hummingbirds and bees to visit. Salvias thrive in the heat and need very little care once established. They are perfect if you want a garden that feels both peaceful and full of life at the same time. 6. Sunflowers. Nothing says summer like a sunflower. Whether you choose the classic towering varieties or the new smaller ones, sunflowers bring instant happiness. They love hot weather, grow quickly, and their large golden faces turn to follow the sun. Plant a few seeds now, and by midsummer, you will have a breathtaking sunny view right outside your door. Taking care of your summer flowers is simple. Make sure they get at least 6 hours of sunlight each day. Water them deeply a couple of times a week, especially during very hot days. Remove faded flowers to encourage new blooms. A little love and regular attention will keep your garden bursting with color all season long. Creating a vibrant summer garden is easier than you think. With just a few thoughtful choices this May, you can build a space filled with warmth, color, and life. Whether you have a tiny patio or a big backyard, these flowers will turn it into a summer dream. So grab your seeds, step outside, and start planting your happiness today. If you enjoyed this guide, share your favorite summer flower in the comments. And do not forget to subscribe for more gardening tips and inspiration every week.